At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a Ukay Ukay business can be a rewarding venture, especially if you have a passion for fashion and thrift shopping. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Understand the Ukay Ukay market. Research the demand for secondhand clothing in your area, target demographics, and competitors. Develop a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, sourcing strategies, pricing, marketing plan, and financial projections. 2. Legal requirements. Register your business. Choose a legal structure, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc., and register your business with the appropriate government authorities. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Check local regulations regarding permits and licenses required to operate a retail business in your area. 3. Sourcing inventory. Find reliable suppliers. Look for wholesalers, thrift stores, or individuals selling secondhand clothing. You can also explore online platforms and auctions for sourcing inventory. Inspect the quality. Ensure that the clothing items are in good condition, free from stains, tears, or excessive wear and tear. 4. Setting up shop. Choose a location. Select a strategic location with high foot traffic, preferably in a commercial area or near a market. Set up your store. Design an inviting and organized space for displaying your merchandise. Invest in racks, hangers, and shelves to showcase your clothing items effectively. 5. Marketing and promotion. Create a brand identity. Develop a unique brand name, logo, and tagline that resonates with your target audience. Utilize social media. Leverage platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to showcase your inventory, engage with customers, and promote special offers or sales. Host events or collaborations. Organize fashion shows, pop-up shops, or collaborate with influencers or local fashion bloggers to increase visibility and attract customers. 6. Provide excellent customer service. Train your staff. Ensure that your employees are knowledgeable about your products and provide friendly and helpful customer service. Offer a pleasant shopping experience. Make sure your store is clean, well-lit, and organized. Consider offering amenities such as fitting rooms and mirrors for customers to try on clothes. 7. Monitor and adapt. Track your sales and inventory. Keep detailed records of your sales, expenses, and inventory turnover to monitor your business's performance. Adapt to market trends. Stay updated on fashion trends and adjust your inventory accordingly to meet the changing demands of your customers. Starting a Ukay Ukay business requires dedication, hard work, and a keen understanding of your target market. By following these steps and staying adaptable, you can build a successful and sustainable venture in the secondhand clothing industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.